Hey everyone, it's Marie from Speech Teach Pro on TPT, and I want to talk to you today about getting a student's attention. I know many of you use these kind of pointers in class or in your speech room. I've got a blue pointer here, and these are really fun. This pizza one is really fun. And some of you may be using these creepy finger ones because it's very popular around this time of year. Great to use when you're working with students with AAC devices and you're trying to get their attention on one particular core vocabulary word. But what if you don't have these kinds of pointers? I got these at the dollar spot at Target about a year ago, and they don't sell these anymore. I checked. There are similar, like regular finger pointers on Amazon, which I can place a link in the comments section if you like, that you can access. Anyway, I do have an alternative for you. It's a free Chrome extension. I'd like to share it with you. Okay, so the first thing you do is go to the Chrome web store, and in the search bar, type in custom cursor for Chrome. On the right side, you'll see a blue button, and on mine it says remove from Chrome, but yours will say add to Chrome. Once it's added, you will see, click on it, and you will see a collection of different cursors, and you decide based on whatever interest your students have. It'll have an add blue button, and you just click on that, and you can we'll have that collection stored for you inside the extension, like you see here on the right side. Now, since I'm going to go through all my collections here, but we don't want to spend a lot of time. Since Halloween is coming up, why don't we just pick sweets and candy and just go down to Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, because who doesn't love Reese's? And anyway, once you do that, you will get a new cursor, and it'll be a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. And you use it just like you would any other cursor. The nice thing about this is once you hover over a live link, you will get, icon will change. There you go. And you get a real actual Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Now, who doesn't love this? This will be a lot of fun for your students and great to get their attention. The other thing that I really like about this is if you go back to the Chrome extension and you'll see a blue bar, that makes the icon or cursor larger or smaller. You can increase or decrease the size. Also, you can go back to the default cursor, your black arrow, at any time. Hope you enjoy the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can bring more videos to you. And I've got lots of links in the comments. Don't forget to check. Have a great day.